Welcome to the part 2 of Add a Course in WBAS. We will do a complete combo of Boating 1, which is the PCUC, Boating 2, Beyond the PCUC, and Boating 3, Introduction to Navigation. And to complicate the process, we will also add a second family member. After accomplishing this task, you will be an expert on how to add a course, and you will feel a lot more comfortable in the future. Again, like in part 1, before going into the system, you need to ask you the following questions. When, where, what the time, the duration, what price, etc. So you need to do a plan of what you want to accomplish. And this is no different than a sailing plan. Okay, now let's start. So use a calendar and a piece of paper and we will start to design the plan. It's going to be a lot easier this way. So let's say that we will start the Boating 1 on February the 24th, 2017. It is a Friday from 6 to 9. And it will be finished on February the 25th, 2017 from 9 to 12 a.m. And the Boating 2 will be 5 weeks starting Wednesday, March the 1st to March the 29th from 7 to 9 p.m. And the Boating 3 will start for 5 weeks and it will start on Wednesday, April the 5th to May the 3rd from 7 to 9 p.m. Now that we have established the schedule, let's look at the pricing. So the pricing, and by the way, you can put the pricing you want, so I don't know, use your squadron pricing, but for the purpose of this training, this is what I used. Okay, member and non-member for Boating 1 is the same price, $90. Okay, for Boating 2, member is $140 and non-member is $170, and same thing for Boating 3, $140 for members and $170 for non-members. Now, let's say we add a second family member, okay, which is optional, but for the purpose of this training, we will add a second family member. So, if you have a second family member, the price is $75, so $125 instead of $140 and $155 instead of $170. And same thing for the Boating 3. Okay, so now you have, maybe you will have a student who will register just for Boating 1, and maybe one will register just for Boating 2 for March the 1st, and maybe a student will register just for Boating 3 on April the 5th. So now if you have a student who wants to register for both a combo 1 and 2 together, so the duration is 6 weeks, we added the price at $210 and $240, and the second family member is $200 and $230. And you may have a student who just bought a brand new boat, has no knowledge at all, doesn't have any PCUC, and he wants to have the full package. So he wants to have the combo 1, 2, and 3. So the duration will be 11 weeks. The price will be $340, $400, and the second family member will be $325 and $385. I hope everybody is following up to now. So now let's go to the combo starting with Boating 2. Okay, so you may have a student who already has his or her PCUC, but they want to have the Boating 2 and Boating 3 together. So the duration will be 10 weeks. The price will be $260 and $320 for a non-member. And if there is a second family member, the price will be $240 and the non-member will be $300. And Boating 3, there is no combo after that. And by the way, the pricing structure is up to the squadron decision. I saw some squadron that even with a combo, for example, combo 1 and 2, the member price is 140 plus 90, which should be 230. So I saw some squadron that the price for combo will be 230. I saw also other squadron that they give a little bit discount when you have a combo. So the discount is even a little bit bigger if you have a combo of 1, 2, and 3. And like I said, some other squadron, they just add up the numbers. But it is up to you. So I hope it is clear up to now. If it is not, just rewind a little bit and relook at what we just said. Okay, having said that, now we are ready to go in the system and to make it happen. Okay, so we log in. We go to Squadron or District Administration. We go to Course Management and we click Add Course. Okay, event name will be again Training Boating 1. Squadron, event type, course, and the course is PCOC. And again, you click, I will click on this event visible by Squadron Administration only, as I don't want the public to see it. We click Next. Okay, and now we go on boatingcourse.ca. And we click on Boating Basic, PCOC, Control C, we come back, Control V. Okay, now here we will make a little change. Okay, we want to add something. So I will go down, move that down a little bit, and on another sheet I completed a form that we need to add here because it will appear. Okay, it will say complete introductory boating package, combo boating 1 and 2, and again you have the duration 6 weeks. And you have the date again. This is just to make sure that people will see it, okay? And for the pricing, see the pricing at the bottom right. If you do a combo boating 1 and 2, if you do a combo boating 1, 2, and 3, it will be at the bottom also. You click Next. And you input the date. So the start date will be February 24th at 1800. The course is a duration of 3 hours and it will end on September the 25th. So you click Next. And again, you input the venue name, so where will be the location of the training. And you click Next again. You input the name of your contact and phone number and email address. Where you see the website, you can add your website URL, the squadron website URL, and most of the time I just input the boatingcourses.ca, so if they need to refer, so it's a lot easier for the customer or your student. And again, I click BCC event contact and I do Next. Here is where you need to input all your information. On the part 1, the package count was 1, but if you click on the drop down menu, you can see that we have up to 6 space. Look what I will pick up the 6 because right now we have the PCOC, the combo 1-2 and the combo 1-2-3 plus the second family member, so we need 6 spaces. That's the maximum we can use. And when we click this, look what's going to happen. Okay, now you have place to input 6 different package name. So the package name here is, I'm going to put training. So now you input your package name, so training boating 1, second family member, training combo boating 1 and 2, combo boating 1 and 2, second family member, training combo boating 1, 2 and 3, and the pricing, okay, I forgot the pricing, and training combo boating 1, 2 and 3, and second family members. Okay, I was missing some space, but anyway, I don't think you will have a package name with that long, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So now you have the pricing for boating 1, the pricing for the second family member, the pricing for the combo 1 and 2, the pricing for the combo 1 and 2 and second family member, etc. Training combo 1, 2, 3, and the second family member. And finally, you click Submit. Your submission was successful. You click Done. We do now the boating 2. Okay, add a course. Again, it will be training boating 2. Okay, same thing, your squadron, event type, the course is beyond the PCOC. I click squadron. I want to make sure that nobody sees it except us. Okay, click next. And so let's go back to boatingcourse.ca. Let's copy, Control C. And now here again, we want to tell them that there is also a combo boating 2 and 3, which I already marked down on another piece of paper, and now I just do a copy and paste. Okay, again, combo boating 2 and 3 duration is 10 weeks with the date, and see the pricing at the bottom right. Okay, so then we click next, and we put the date again. Then you input the date for the boating 2, which is March 1st to March 29. And sometimes if you have, when you look at the duration, when, you have hours, day and days, and weeks. And so if this is more than 2 weeks, you just put other, specify end date, and you put the end date. And it should go directly there. Okay, now we input again, and then you click next, and your contact name again. So you click BCC and next. So now you have your boating 2 with your second family member, and you have the combo 2 and 3 and the family number. So you need 4 spaces. So you click 4, and again you have room to put all your information. So again you input your package name and the pricing. So training boating 2, 140, 170, second family member 125, 155, and so on. Now you have the combo boating 2 and 3, 260, 320, and combo boating 2 and 3, second family member, 240, 300. And you click submit. Your submission was successful. You click done. And then finally you had the third one, boating 3. So add the course. So it will be training 3, WBAS event type course. The course is Introduction to Navigation. Okay, I click this little box and I click next. Then I go boating course.ca again, and I want to have boating. Okay. Well, I just want to have boating 3. Control C. Back to my page. Control V. And this time, because there is no combo, I don't have to add anything else. So you have the description of the course. And you click next. Then you put the date. Then clicks next. Again, you put the venue name. Click next. Then the contact name. Click event, BCC event contacts. Next. The package count is 2. So now you have the training boating 3 and training boating 3 second family member with the pricing. And you click submit again. Your submission was successful. So now it is time to look at if all the work we have done has been true. So we go back on it is on the course management page. Anyway, we scroll down to course calendar. We click on course calendar. It will open the new page. You click to pick up the squadron. So we have WBAS. View events now. And again, we will have a lot of course that we put in for the last couple of weeks, all the testing. So anyway, we scroll down. I will scroll down at the end to see all the testing they have done in the past few weeks. Let's go down. The part 1 is here. The part 2 is training boating 1. I click on this, and here is the registration page. When we will add this on boatingcourse.ca, the student will click on register. Okay, you will see the boating 1 course, and then you will be able to register. Okay, you have the boating 1 itself, you have the combo 1 and 2, you have the combo 1, 2 and 3, you have the description, you have the location, the contact name, and if you go down, then you have the choice to register on boating 1 only, or a combo 1 and 2, or a combo boating 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you only have to click add to cart, and it will be registered, and the contact name should receive an email, because it will receive a copy of the registration form, and you will see that the customer or the student has registered to a combo boating 1, 2 and 3, and he paid $400 or $340. And that's it. So now you only have to send an email to your boatingcourse.ca specialist, and I will tell the name again: John Naylor for BC, John Ashworth for Ontario and Inland, Canada, Jacques Hébert for Quebec, and Yves Dauphiné, myself, for Atlantic. And on this email, you tell us that you have put or add a course in WBAS for boating 1, for boating 2, and for boating 3. And you also input some combo like combo 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or whatever it is. And then we will be able to update boatingcourse.ca. Thanks a lot, and let's go to the next training video.